Hey Hasib, why do some trees have smooth bark, and some look all scratchy and crumbly?
That's a good question. Bark is like the tree's jacket. Some wear soft ones. Some wear armor. And some trees even peel their bark, like they're changing outfits.
Big trees always look so serious.
They do. But look, see that branch with all the twisty turns?
It's like a roller coaster. Whoa, those roots are crawling like spaghetti snakes.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever stared at a leaf and thought, whoa, that could be a masterpiece? Today, we're taking a walk through colors, trees, and sky because nature has the coolest ideas for art.
Big trees always look so serious.
They do. But look, see that branch with all the twisty turns?
It's like a roller coaster.
Exactly. Trees don't grow straight and perfect. They bend toward sunlight, stretch over rocks, twist to dodge shadows.
Like they're doing yoga.
Next time you draw a tree, try giving it personality. One might be shy, curling in. Another might be wild, shooting out branches like jazz hands.
So, trees have moods too?
Every single one. You just gotta look long enough to catch them showing off.
Hey Hasib, why do some trees have smooth bark, and some look all scratchy and crumbly?
That's a good question. Bark is like the tree's jacket. Some wear soft ones. Some wear armor. And some trees even peel their bark, like they're changing outfits.
A tree fashion show.
Exactly. When you draw or paint trees, you don't have to make them all the same brown. You can use different textures. Zigzags. Tiny dots. Even sponge prints.
Oh! I could use a toothbrush to make bark speckles.
Now you're thinking like an artist. You're not just looking at the tree, you're noticing how it feels, even with your eyes.
Whoa, those roots are crawling like spaghetti snakes.
And that tells us a story. Maybe this tree had to fight for space. Maybe it grew on a hill, or the soil was tricky. Every root is part of its journey.
So, if I draw it, I could make the roots extra twisty, to show how strong it is?
That's the idea. Artists don't just copy, they translate nature. You take what you see and turn it into how it feels or what it says. Nature is full of patterns, some are obvious like stripes on a leaf. Others are hidden, like how light changes color in the evening.
So, artists have to be detectives?
You got it. Nature gives you a mystery. You explore with your eyes, imagine with your heart, and draw with your hands.
Now it's the time for quiz. If you are painting a tree in different seasons, which skill helps you the most? Option A. Kissing the colors without looking outside. Option B. Observing how the tree changes in real life over time. Option B is correct. Real artists learn by looking closely over time. Which picture shows a child observing nature before drawing? Option A, a child using binoculars to look at birds, holding a sketchbook. Option B, a child looking at a phone and drawing from cartoons. Excellent. Option A is correct. Looking at real nature helps us learn how to draw it better. Which picture shows someone appreciating nature while making art? Option A, a child painting a superhero in space. Option B, child picking wildflowers carefully and painting them. Good job! Option B is correct. Appreciation means you notice, care, and enjoy nature. You should only draw things from nature if they are colorful and pretty. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. You can learn more about nature by drawing what you see outside. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll splash into a world of colors and creativity. Get ready to dip those brushes. Until then, keep your eyes open for colors, shapes, and all things artsy around you. Catch you on the next masterpiece mission. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.